This little girl was brought out of the grave after 2 years, and look at this miracle. So my friends, in this video, you can see that these men are opening a grave. This is the grave of a little girl who was buried 2 years ago. After being buried, this little girl couldn't stop dreaming about her father, and she said, "Father, take me out of this grave and bury me elsewhere, because there is a sinner in another grave next to mine, and when he is punished, I suffer too." She appears in her father's dream for 2 years. Then her father spoke to the scholars, and the scholars told him that he should take them out of the grave and bury them in another place. And when this child was removed from the grave, we see that even the shroud was not destroyed. And this child shone in the same way, and you can see what a great light is on the face. Allahu Akbar. Don't forget to say Allahu Akbar in the comments. I request you to share this video as much as possible so that everyone can learn from it. And you will be greatly rewarded by sharing this video if anyone sees it. I pray that Allah saves us all from the punishment of the grave.